My name's Luke Begley. I'm the CEO and founder of CircuitIQ. We build smart tools for electricians, and the problem we solve is we re-identify electrical panels in older properties where that information has been lost. And so we have a magical system that can map out all of the power and recreate the documentation so electricians can do their job better. We needed to up our labeling game as per se, for our customers. It's one of our main deliverables. We provide labels for every outlet, switch, panel, or piece of equipment. What Brady has enabled us to do is to actually print this information without you typing a label. Our app tells this system through wireless connection, and this is battery operated, so you can take it anywhere, and it even has a belt clip so it can clip on the side of your holster. So then you can hands-free add labels to every outlet or switch as needed. CircuitIQ and Brady is kind of the perfect pair. The fact that we've driven this new technology to be able to collect all that information, and you already had the existing technology for us to integrate with, that saved us a ton of time and expense to innovate this into the market. And so our speed to get to market has been cut in half by Brady having the tools to integrate with.